This is Speedman, and today we'll be using the forklift. Now, this forklift is a great forklift. Really good. And we're gonna find some traffic, crash into it, and then we'll lift it. Just kidding, it won't lift. It's like this forever, which is not good. And so what's the use of it? It's just a fork mess. Okay, well, looks like we're gonna use a semi-truck. Or it'll just go to the other side. Huh. Okay, okay. Ooh, a rival. Okay, we'll get this. Come back here. Can we destroy him? Okay, no. I'll use this. As you can see, it's not the best, but it is pretty good. And you can pull up to 3 cars, I assume. It feels like nothing, because it makes sense according to the game. And yeah, I guess that's really it for the forklift.